Hey guys! Alright, check this out, today we're doing something super cool. I'm gonna grab the latest Ubuntu version, that's Ubuntu 25.10 desktop, straight from the official site, throw it into VMware Workstation, and walk you through every single step so you can see how easy it is to have Linux running right alongside your Windows setup. No risk, no messing up your Windows at all, not even a single byte. How long do you think it'll take? You ready? Let's dive in, come on. Here we go, I'm heading to the download now, opening up my browser, straight to the official site ubuntu.com, clicking this link, and boom, here it is. Alright guys, let's take a quick look at the options here. We've got two versions, Intel or AMD 64-bit. This is the standard one for regular laptops and desktops with Intel or AMD processors. ARM 64-bit, this one's for ARM devices, like the newer MacBooks with M1/M2/M3 chips, Raspberry Pi, or ARM-based servers. We're going with the Intel or AMD 64-bit version because most computers and laptops, including mine and probably yours, have Intel or AMD chips, and this one works perfectly smooth on VMware Workstation with zero issues. So let's go ahead and start the download. I already downloaded this ISO file earlier, so right now I'm just showing you the exact same one I've got here, no need to download it again. Let's jump straight into installing it on VMware Workstation. Now that we've got the ISO file ready, let's jump straight into installing Ubuntu 25.10 desktop on VMware Workstation. We'll go through the steps fast and skip any extra talk, just doing the work. Our virtual machine is all set up. Now I'm powering it on. Okay, it's booting up, we're just gonna wait a few seconds for the Ubuntu install screen to come up. It'll take a moment, but then we'll go through every installation step together, nice and easy. The virtual machine booted up and the first Ubuntu installation screen is here. Now, first thing we need to do is pick a language. I'm going with English, since it's simpler and I understand everything better. Then I hit next. Okay, the accessibility page just popped up. This is where options for people who need special help are, like seeing, hearing, typing, pointing and clicking, zoom. I don't need any of these, so I'm just clicking next straight away and we're moving on to the next step. Here we have two options: install Ubuntu, full installation of Ubuntu on the virtual machine. Try Ubuntu, just test it without installing, like a live USB. I'm choosing install Ubuntu, because I want a complete installation so we can actually use it. Then I hit next. Next screen is here. How would you like to install Ubuntu? We've got two options: interactive installation. This is the standard, step-by-step one, perfect for people who want to see and choose everything themselves, like me right now. Automated with auto-install file. This is for advanced users who have an autoinstall.yaml file and want a fully automatic, repeatable setup. I'm going with interactive installation, since I want us to go through it together step by step. Hit next. Let's keep going. We've got two options: default selection, just the essentials like a web browser and basic utilities. Extended selection, a bigger selection with office tools, utilities, and offline-friendly browsers. I'm going with default selection because I want a light and fast install. Then I hit next. Let's keep going. Erase disk and install Ubuntu. This wipes everything on the disk and installs Ubuntu. No problem here since it's a virtual machine, and it's the fastest way. Manual installation, for advanced users who want to set up partitions manually. I'm going with erase disk and install Ubuntu, because I want to keep it simple and quick. Then I hit next. Let's keep going. We're at the Create Your Account screen. Time to set up your user account. I'm filling in these details: your name, Alpha. Your computer's name, Administrator. Your username, Alpha. Password and confirm password. I'm putting in a strong one, not showing it, but it's a good, secure choice. I check the box for require my password to log in, so it always asks for the password. I leave use Active Directory unchecked, because I don't want to join a domain right now. I want a simple, local install. Then I hit next. Let's move on to the next step. Quick look at our choices. Everything looks perfect, no changes needed. So I'm just gonna click that big install button. I'm gonna pause the recording now so we can wait for the installation to finish. Alright, installation's all done. Now clicking restart now to reboot the system and boot into Ubuntu. Let's see what happens. One super important thing before we start playing around, let's update the whole system. First, I hit Ctrl+Alt+T to open the terminal. Okay, terminal's up. Now I'm running these two commands. First, sudo apt update y. This refreshes the list of packages and repositories so the system knows exactly what's available for updates. Then, sudo apt upgrade y. This downloads and installs all the available updates, making Ubuntu more secure, fixing bugs, and improving performance overall. Okay guys, that's a wrap for this video. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial and found it helpful. If you liked it, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below. Your energy seriously motivates me for the next videos. Take care of yourselves until next time, bye.